Another one out in the middle of the pond is the only water lily that's native to this area.
Oh, so those are water lilies native to Ohio?
Native to Ohio.
Wow.
Yeah, they're called fragrant water lilies.
Okay.
And they have tubers, so in the late summer, this will completely dry out.
Okay.
But because the water lilies have tubers, they're fine. So they just sit there in the muck or in the dry, and then next year they'll pop right back up.
So they're used to the water levels going up and down and it drying out. That's just part of
their history.
It's part of their adaptations for an Ohio wetland.
That's right.
Yeah, actually most of the wetlands in Ohio were seasonal wetlands. We had very few permanent wetlands.
Okay.
And so all of the species that you see here are used to being dry part of the year and totally saturated part of the year.
Yeah.
That's just really cool.
That is cool.
That's just
It'll
really
be bone
neat
dry.
adaptation.
It'll be bone. I mean, in a typical summer, August, September, it's dry.
Do you love science? Of course you do. So stay up to date on all things science around Cincy by subscribing to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Twitter @SciAroundCincy.